They say death begins in our legs, and that may sound dramatic, but it's true. When our legs grow weak, we stop moving. When we stop moving, our circulation slows. Our muscles shrink, our balance fades, and our body begins to decline faster than we realize. Most people don't die because of old age. They die because they lose their strength, their movement, and their ability to live independently. So, today, let's talk about how to stop that process. Let's learn how to rebuild your legs, no matter your age, using simple, proven exercises that science says can restore power, balance, and confidence in just a few minutes a day. Before we begin, please take a quick second to like, share, and subscribe, because this one video could literally help someone walk again without fear. Alright, now let's get straight into it. Why strong legs mean longer life. 3-6. Do you know what the biggest predictor of living a long, healthy life is? It's not your blood pressure, not your cholesterol, it's actually your leg strength. Multiple studies, including research from the University College London and the Journal of Gerontology, show that people with stronger legs live longer and stay mentally sharper. One 10-year study found that seniors with the strongest leg muscles had twice the brain power of those with weak legs. And it's not just about thinking, it's about living. Strong legs mean you can stand up easily, climb stairs, go for walks, and do the things that make you feel alive. When leg muscles weaken, something called sarcopenia, everyday life becomes harder. Standing from a chair, getting out of bed, even going to the bathroom. That's why I say again, death begins in the legs. But life begins when you strengthen them. What happens when we stop moving? Let's be honest. Many people in their 60s, 70s, and 80s stop moving because of pain, stiffness, or fear of falling. But science tells us that the less we move, the faster we age. In fact, a study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that even healthy older adults lose muscle at a rate of up to 1% per year, and strength drops twice as fast, especially in the legs. The good news? It's reversible. According to research from BMC Geriatrics, seniors who performed simple leg resistance exercises for 12 weeks improved their strength, balance, and energy dramatically. Some even regained the ability to climb stairs after years of avoiding them. So let's look at exactly what exercises they did and how you can do them safely at home. The 3 most effective leg exercises for seniors. Sit to stand, chair rise. This is the single best exercise for seniors, and it's backed by research from Johns Hopkins Medicine and the American Geriatric Society. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or place your hands on your thighs if you need support. Now, lean slightly forward, push through your heels, and stand up tall. Slowly sit back down with control. That's 1 repetition. Try doing 8 to 10 reps, rest, and repeat once more. This simple motion strengthens your thighs, hips, glutes, and core. The same muscles you use every time you get out of bed or stand from the toilet. Research shows that doing this just 3 times per week can reduce fall risk by over 30%. Remember, move slowly, keep breathing, and don't rush. Calf raises, heel lifts. Next up, the calf raise. These are fantastic for balance and ankle strength. Stand tall behind a chair or countertop. Hold on lightly for balance. Now rise slowly onto your toes. Lift your heels as high as you comfortably can. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower down slowly. That's 1. Do 10 to 15 repetitions, rest, then repeat. According to a study from the Journal of Physical Therapy Science, Calf raises improve ankle stability, walking speed, and even blood circulation in seniors. And they're easy to do anytime, while brushing your teeth, waiting for tea, or cooking. If you want to challenge yourself, try lifting one leg at a time, but only when you feel steady. Seated knee extension, and finally, the seated leg extension. Sit tall in a chair with both feet flat on the ground. Slowly straighten one leg in front of you until it's parallel with the floor. Hold for 2 seconds, squeeze your thigh, then lower it slowly. Repeat on the other leg. Do 10 repetitions on each leg. According to BMC Geriatrics and Harvard Health, this movement specifically targets the quadriceps, the big muscles on the front of your thighs, which are crucial for walking, balance, and knee protection. Over time, this exercise can actually reduce knee pain by improving muscle support around the joint. Building a routine that works. Now let's put these 3 together into a simple daily routine. Step 1. Warm up with 5 minutes of gentle marching in place or a slow walk around the room. Step 2. Do 8 to 10 sit to stands. Step 3. Do 10-15 calf raises. Step 4. Do 8 to 10 seated knee extensions per leg. Step 5. Finish with a light stretch or short walk. That's it, about 15 minutes total. If you do this just 3 times a week, studies show you can regain up to 20% leg strength in under 3 months. And the best part? You'll feel the change in your daily life, standing up easier, walking steadier, and feeling younger from the ground up. Final message. So remember, my friends, death begins in the legs, but life begins when you move them. Every time you stand, lift, stretch, or walk, you're fighting back against aging. You're keeping your freedom, your dignity, and your strength. And you deserve that. If this video helped you, please hit like, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe for more natural ways to stay strong and independent. And in the comments, tell me, which exercise felt the best for you? Which one do you want to master next? Because we're in this together. Thank you for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.